Clearing an app's cache and data on a Samsung Galaxy S24 can help resolve various issues, improve the app's performance, free up storage space, and fix minor glitches by resetting the app to its default configuration. Let's get started. Firstly, navigate to the Settings app on your device. Swipe upwards to locate apps and tap on it once found. Search for the specific app whose cache and data you wish to clear and tap on it. Next, tap on Storage. You'll be directed to a new screen where you'll find the options Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache first, then Clear Data, and confirm your action. This process will reset the app to its original settings. Alternatively, you can press and hold the app's icon in the app drawer until a menu appears. Tap on the App Info icon, then select Storage. This will take you directly to the screen where you can clear the cache and data. Proceed with the clearing, and this should help resolve any issues with the app. If the problem persists, you might want to restart your phone, as it can be just a minor glitch in the system. Just press and hold the volume down and power keys until the options appear. Tap Restart and then confirm your action. After the reboot and the problem continues, then you may uninstall and reinstall the app. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching.